doing work hard and doing 10 to 12 hours in a day, he started observing that how I can become rich and how I can enjoy my life. So he observed many things and then he became billionaire and trillionaire. Then after becoming a successful person, he wrote this amazing book. So now I am going to give a review of this special book. So friends, if we look about at this special book, there is written a 4-hour work week. It is the best seller of New York. And if we see its backside, there is a warning also. Do not read this book unless you want a new way of living. So if you want a new way of living, if you want to live like a billionaire and billionaire, then you have to read this book. If you have to change your way of lifestyle, then you have to read this book and become also a billionaire. You will know how the billionaires live and enjoy their life. So I will start my review. So its book name is the 4-hour work week. So its first point is that work less and earn more. How? Means your 80% output came from your 20% input. Means your results of 80% basically come from your 20% hard work. So you need to be more smart work than hard work. You have to focus on your 20% which is giving you more benefit. So in this book the author had said that focus on relative income instead of absolute income. So what is relative income and absolute income? I will give you example. For example, Ali is earning a 1 lakh in a week and Aslam is earning 80,000 in a week. So we will thinking that Ali is more richer and Aslam is no. So basically Ali works 10 hours in a day, but the Aslam works only 4 hours in a week. So who is more richer? Aslam is more richer because he is consuming his time in a more productive way, in a more effective way. So we will say that he is more richer.
Fantastic, very energetic, very good. Although there were few grammatical mistakes, but overall, you are speaking from your heart actually.